So my document has the text laid out. I'm going to need to align it, as I've said before. I've got a little effect on the graduate photo there. What I want to do in this movie is I want to explain to you how we can use something called groups to make this a little bit easier to work with. So I'm going to expand my layers panel because I have several layers here. Normally the layers panel would be docked over here, but I moved it so it's easier for you to see. Now what we can do is I can use the Shift key and select all of the text layers together. So I will select all of the lorem ipsum text together. So now they're all highlighted. I used the Shift and the click key to highlight that. Now I can use this small triangle here to get the some extra layer functions, and I'm going to make a group. You can make a new group, or you can make a group from layers. When you make a group is basically a folder that shows up on your layers panel. So I'm going to say new group from layers, and I get the chance to name this. I'm going to call this lorem ipsum. And now lorem ipsum has been all grouped together. And the great thing about that is that the individual layers still are inside of the folder. But because it's a group, if I select the group, I can move all of these together in one group very easily, and it makes aligning the group quite a bit easier. So if I wanted to just simply line that up, it makes selecting and aligning the group easier. And I'm going to make another group for my numbers. So I click on the number 1, hold the Shift key down and click on number 10, hold the triangle, and I'm going to make a new group from layers. And I'm going to call this numbers. And it makes the document easier to see, easier to read, and easier to navigate because you don't have all the layers in the panel making it very distracting. You can make a new group from scratch and then put any of the other layers in it that you like. For example, I could make a new group and put all of the text inside of that, even the groups that are already there. So you can have folders within folders in a Photoshop document. This is a great way to organize your layers so that you can work with them more efficiently.